So I had a few people request that I do one of those shop with me videos. I don't really know how to do said video, but I'm going to give it a whack. I'm going in Ollies because it's becoming one of my favorite stores. It's like you can find, it's really hit or miss. You have to know how to look for things, and I think that's what a lot of people kind of need help with. They don't really know how to train their eyes. But anyway, I got a little cash on me, and I think I'm gonna go look for maybe, I really don't know. I thought about organizational items, but at the same time, I just go and look for anything I need. I find it cheaper to go and just walk through and look for certain items and not go in there needing like 8 different items. Then you're gonna spend a ton of money. If you go in there and just look for the sales and remember not to buy everything that's on sale, only buy what you really need, then you're gonna be okay. You're not gonna spend as much. That lady was looking at me. Still not totally used to this video and myself thing in public, but it's okay. We're gonna give it a try. I had really wanted to find a devotional here today, but there really wasn't anything in the way of devotional that caught my eye. But what did catch my eye are these adorable little notebooks. It's not like I need another notebook, but I'll find a use for it somewhere. So I picked up 2 of them, but later on I actually ended up just getting the one with the cats on it because it was more me. And brooms. I've been searching for one everywhere, but this price really I didn't want that. So later on I found these for a cheaper price and grabbed one of those. Not a fan of this price really, or the fact that it's not lined, but these are the pillows that I actually got for my living room because I don't want to pay $19 for Christmas pillows. These are only $9. That's much better and much affordable for me, I think. I never thought of Ollies for like things to hang on the wall or even floating shelving, but they really do have a good selection of items like this. I got a floating shelf for my bathroom that I am currently redoing, and will show you it once I get it hung. Hello, it's me. I'm an absolute sucker for some kitchen towels, and these were too cute and the price wasn't too horrible, so I picked these up, of course. It actually surprised me how many pretty simple rugs that Ollies has for good prices. I usually get my rugs from here. When I tell you I got so excited when I found these, they're perfect for my linen closet that I need to organize. And some cute blankets that might be good for Christmas presents. And the price on this Christmas rug was so good, I got it for my bathroom. So, not one of my super successful runs, but I did get a few things that I really do need and that I will use, especially the broom. Really needed that. But one tip I wanted to share is don't be unaware of prices at other stores when you are shopping at somewhere like Ollies or somewhere that's supposed to be a markdown store. Sometimes it's not. It could be like 50 cents less, and that's just, or it could be more actually. So be aware of what it would cost at like Walmart or Target or something, or if it's on sale somewhere else. Don't be afraid to stop in the store. Go online to Walmart or Target and look up and see how much the item is elsewhere. I don't know if Ollies is a price matching place. I don't believe it is, but because it's already marked down. But just be aware of that. That'll help you not like overspend on things you really shouldn't be overspending on.